Alright guys, so today's video is about iPhone 12 Pro Max blurry image. So in case you are trying to shoot a video on your iPhone 12 Pro Max or iPhone 12 series and you notice that it is blurry like this, as you can see, instead of making it focus, it is just blurry, and this is not good. So in case you want to solve it, these are the steps you should take. The first step is to clean the lens of your iPhone 12. Okay, find a microfiber cloth or a soft cloth or tissue and clean the lenses like this. When you clean these three lenses, this is the major lens, and why these are the other lenses. So this you should clean very well, please. When you clean them well, check if it's still blurry, and if you notice that it is still blurry after the cleaning, then the next thing I would suggest you do is to close the camera app this way, close it in the background also, and relaunch your camera. This time it should fix it. Now, as you can see, it is now focused on the object that I have here. Okay, so if yours is still not working, maybe it's still blurry at this point, then the next thing I would say you should do is to reboot your iPhone. Press the volume key up and the button, power button, and switch it off this way. Switch it on. You can now check if your camera is still blurry or not. And after that, if you notice that it is still blurry like this, then what I would suggest you should do is to update to the latest software version. Go to your iPhone and update to the latest version of the iOS. Okay, so that I think is the last resort. And if this still continues and your iPhone camera is still blurry to an extent, if you are using protective case or protective lenses on your camera lens, then you have to remove it. If that doesn't solve it, I think you should just go to Apple Store and make a complaint so they can look into your phone and see if there is anything wrong with it. Maybe it is software or the hardware. And that will be all for this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like, and I'll see you on the next one. Please stay safe. Bye for now. Peace.